Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Flip-Flop Life, and welcome to the world's reveal of TrafficWave Generator. This is launching on March 15th at 11 a.m. Eastern on Warrior Plus. Now, this is a traffic software and content creator all in one. It's going to be able to generate content for you for the next 30 days, scheduled based on any URL and content and keyword that you have in place. Let me show you how our software works, the power of it, and what people can do with it. This is a software that actually drives real traffic over to your offers, your e-com stores, your blogs, your offers, your Amazon products, your Amazon affiliate products. This is amazing. So let's get started. First of all, the way that this works is that you connect your account to this software. Your account meaning Pinterest. Pinterest has 459 million daily users. It's a huge platform, and we are generating thousands of dollars for our clients and for ourselves using the traffic source that we're using. Now we're going to show you the magic of how our software works. So let's say we wanted to go out and find what's working right now. Who's promoting what at specific things. So let's say I'm searching for woodworking. It's an offer that's being sold on ClickBank, etc. I come here and I can see that all these are possible affiliates. This is an Amazon affiliate. This is a ClickBank affiliate. And then I can go in and see what they're promoting, how they're promoting, what they're promoting. And they've got images, they've got videos, they've got all these other things. And then you can see that there's also various other pins and stuff. And you can see these types of pins and all that. All right. Now, I'm showing you this because now I'm doing a little bit of spying. I'm also looking at what their landers are, etc. Okay, so I get, or if they're doing direct linking, you can see it's taking them over to the offer. I can see you can see that all these are direct links, and they've got them on Pinterest. Okay, so I'm seeing exactly what they're doing. I'm spying on their pages, how they're promoting, and getting ideas, etc. Now, the idea behind this is to create pins and direct users to your offers. Okay, that's the idea, and we created our software in order to do that for you automatically. So once we set up our account, then we can go out and create our Wave campaigns. And the Wave campaigns is basically going out and getting a campaign. So let's say I want to promote this woodworking offer. So I'll come to, like, for example, ClickBank, which is an affiliate platform, look for the woodworking offer. Okay, and there's all these TEDs woodworking, and this is what we want, TEDs woodworking. Okay, take my links. Okay, I'm going to track it. For example, I'm a Pinterest. Okay, and then copy my link. Okay, so this is my link. All right, and if I come down, I'm going to put that link somewhere. Okay, I'm not going to touch it for now. I'm going to come here and I'm going to tell my software that I want for it to create 30 days of 10 pins a day. Okay, and I wanted to go out and find images that we've got a built-in system that is part of the training and everything. And then let's say I wanted to put my keywords. Okay, I've added my keywords. I'm going to woodworking projects, woodworking plans, stuff like that. Okay, I'm going to use my Pinterest account, one of my Pinterest accounts. I'm going to choose the boards that I created. Okay, this is all part of the training that I'm going to have inside. And then the beautiful thing is that I can come here and say, like, woodworking. Okay, I can take the URL of the actual affiliate link that I have. Okay, so I'm basically going into the offer, taking the URL, the final URL of this offer, and I'm putting it in here. And the reason why is because then I can have ChatGPT, our built-in AI, actually create some plans. It's putting some text as well, and it's going to create titles and descriptions, but that's just titles and descriptions, unique for 30 days worth. But let's put that to the side. That's not the magic. This is easy stuff. The magic is the actual creation of your pins, directly using whatever you put in as keywords and stuff. Okay, so let's continue by putting the same stuff, and ChatGPT will create all these titles and descriptions. Okay, and then here I'm going to go ahead and put my affiliate links. Now we've seen in the search, the search thing, that other competitors are actually doing direct linking. So you could too. Now it's not going by exactly Pinterest policies, but we do have training inside to show you how you're going to be promoting them properly, but you can do this as well. Okay, so from here we can choose our templates that we have for you inside. Okay, so we have some templates that are already built in, and you can also do some text templates that builds up your template settings for your pins. When they go out, it's built in with SEO, so you can be ranked as well on Pinterest, so you can get a lot of views, impressions, engagements, clicks, and all that beautiful stuff that we created with this magic button software. Okay, so I'm going to click on save. Now this is working in the back end. It's actually creating stuff for me. I'm going to let it run for a bit, and when I come back and it's finished, I'm going to show you the magic behind it and what it's done for me. So by the time it finishes up, let me go show you an example of what it's done for maybe something else that I've created. Okay, so basically it will go out and create the different types of stuff that has to do with your niche. Okay, so it creates based on the templates that we have, takes out titles. Okay, like it's built up the titles, the descriptions, and it also adds them on the images itself that has to do with your actual campaign. Okay, so this all builds, and it's set up so that you can actually push content out there on your accounts. So all these will be pushed over into your Pinterest account, scheduled 10 pins a day for the next 10 pins a day for the next 30 days, for example, how you want it to be. The way that this works is that we export this information that we've just created for you, and we import it inside your Pinterest account, and it schedules it and posts it on autopilot. You don't ever need to create anything ever again for Pinterest. This is one of the best softwares to drive you engaging traffic, targeted traffic over to your whatever you're doing, e-com stores, blogs, YouTube channels, your digital offers. If you're an affiliate marketer, this is one of the best tools you're going to be using. Included, we have an offer spy tool. Go out and spy on what other people are doing. There's a lot of stuff that people are actually selling. Okay, top ClickBank offers, you find them all here. There's a keyword tool where you can actually find more keywords to add into your campaigns, or find more offers and ideas and just to generate that traffic as well. Okay, so you have all that. You have training. The training system inside is a step-by-step process over the shoulders, me showing you how you can earn passive income using this system, this the stuff that we have. So basically, in your templates, you're going to be able to check out, like when you go to your templates, we've got built-in templates. First of all, you can build your own templates, where when you build it as you wish, we've already got built-in templates. But if you wanted to build your own and you wanted to test it out, whatever you set up here, it will create it and add the titles and stuff on this is just testing template, by the way. So when you get started, we have templates already built in your account. So all these will be replaced with text, images, and build stuff. Okay, so you have templates that we are going to be providing you with inside. So this is what TrafficWave Generator does. It creates content for your accounts, for your offers. It creates content for 30 days. It schedules them with a click of a button. And it's all based on SEO, keywords, products, and affiliate links attached to your images. Affiliate offer links or pages, opt-in pages, PDFs you want to give out. Just basically everything. This is what TrafficWave Generator does and more. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on March 15th when we launch this software to the public, because right now it's closed doors. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you on March 15th at 11 a.m. Eastern, and pick up TrafficWave Generator from the links that you see. Talk to you soon.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.